Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Prime Coding. I am Aditya, and today we have some important news for all aspiring Accenture candidates. Yes, the Accenture dates are out, and in this video, we'll discuss all the important recruitment dates of Accenture and best resources to help you prepare effectively. So, let's dive in and ace this Accenture recruitment process. As you can see, activity and date so that the clarity would be there. Now, mock assessment test link and admit card release would be on Monday, 19th of August 2024. You might say, from where you have got this, guys? This all detail we got through our many people who are there in multiple colleges. So these dates were common in like 10 to 15 colleges, but it may vary 1 to 2 days in your campus drive. But this is the particular overview you can take. It might be 20, it might be August 18, it might be 22. So please prepare according to that because date are released. So now mock assessment closure would be Wednesday 21 2024. Then cognitive, technical, and coding assessment test starts. So ending up your centric journey on August 22, 2024. And this day will change your career. Is it? So now, coding technical and coding test end would be Saturday, August 24, 2024, where usually Accenture takes in batch wise. So this is the date. Now, communication assessment test link release would be August 26, 2024. I can see, or we can also observe +2 days at every phase we have. Is it? Now, communication assessment closure would be on Wednesday 28, 2024 because they need to take many people communication assessment closure. That's why it's taking a good amount of time. Virtual interview slotting Friday, August 30 and 2024. Great. Virtual interview start on Monday, September 2, 2024, and virtual interview closure would be Tuesday, September 3rd, 2024. See, only one day they have given to take the interviewer to take interviews of all the candidates who had successfully completed all the recruitment phases. Is it? So we'll see the resources as well in this video. So aptitude preparation, as I have already created a number of videos on how to crack this Accenture process, and we'll take an overview of everything. So English ability 17 question, critical reasoning and problem solving 18 question, and abstract reasoning 15 question. Now how you can prepare it and how many days it will take, because hardly it may be 13 to 15 days are left for you. So 17, 18, 15 questions would be there. So you can head over to the India Mix and just research what all topics you can prepare. So India Mix having 20 minutes one examination session, so you can just opt it. It is for free. indiamix.com. You just need to go on indiamix.com and you will get the aptitude section there. Click on it, and in English ability there are multiple topics, so prepare for each and every topics. Try to solve 1 2 3 or 3 4 test which is of 20 minutes, 20 marks. Is it? So if you are able to get over 80 out of 20 question, which means bingo, you will crack, my dear. Now aptitude topics would be coding, decoding, simple topic, number series, figure bases, blood relation, analogies, directions, syllogism, and sitting arrangement. Guys, there is a trick. You don't need to study all the topics, okay? But you need to prepare for this specific topic. Like coding, decoding, you can do. Number series, you can do because you are past 10th, 11th, is it? And blood relation, analogies, direction, you just need to prepare 15, 15, 20, 20 or 40, 40 questions from each topic, which will hardly take 2 days or 3 days, okay, if you are preparing thoroughly, nicely, and obediently. Yeah. Round one would be aptitude topics. Fill in the blanks, identify the errors, sentence rearrangement, comprehension passage, article, synonyms, and antonyms would be there in the round one, which is an aptitude topics that you need to do, which are important. Okay. Now, preparation resources. So recently I have uploaded 15 days essential roadmap fast track plan. Okay. How many days it and how many topics you need to cover in each day. Let's say 3 days to cover an aptitude topic and 5 days to cover, like whole day by day program I have written so that you can prepare this and ace your Accenture on campus recruitment drive. Is it? So do watch this video. You can find in the description this link, or you can just check out the channel. This video is a very recent video, like yesterday only I have uploaded. So yeah, you can go and check this out. It will definitely help you, because I have created Accenture playlist. Accenture playlist contains multiple type of tutorial videos, the types of coding sheet. It would be advanced associate software engineer role or associate software engineer role. All types of coding questions are covered here, as well as if you got shortlisted for the interview, the next thing is just for you. One-to-one interview session which will test, you are able to test your skills, how much prepare you are with your preparation, whether your resume is up to the date or up to the mark, whether you can ace your interview or not. All these doubts, you can resolve it by taking only one interview session. Only one will change your life, because 300 rupees can help you to get 6 lakh LPA package or 4.5 lakh LPA package. So think, small investment, big return, and those things that you required. Imagine, you just need to know about your weakness. Is it? So in this session, I will let you know about your weakness. I will help you to create your resume. I will give you the in detail feedback. I will help you to crack this Accenture recruitment program. So why you are wondering? So just head over to our primecoding.in. So we are here on primecoding.in website. As you can see, elevate your career with Prime Coding. And this is me, who have taken at least, or I have took at least 100 plus mock sessions and multiple review sessions, resume review sessions. So you can see what our candidates say. We usually do everything here, like whoever is giving us the feedback on Telegram group or on WhatsApp or everywhere, we'll just club it here and create some cards of it. Yeah, and moving forward with the success story, because if we are taking a session, there should be a success rate, and we have 99% of success rate. No one get rejected if you take this mock session. I will bet it, because I have took multiple sessions, 100 plus, and all those got shortlisted. All those, because they got your weakness and how to give your an interview. Because interview is all about how you are driving your interview at what location. If you are able to drive well, bingo, you will ace your interview for sure. Now, one payment and endless opportunity. You can see multiple types of job roles. Everything is there, because we have a curated list of questions that we usually ask to people who is company specific, which will help you to prepare a company specific interview. And the plus point is, if you get to know about the interview scenario beforehand, don't you think it will help you? You won't be nervous in your actual interview. Yes, and this is a fact. Now, you just need to fulfill your name, email address, WhatsApp number, and also that our team can reach out to you and you can reach out to us. Now, session type, choose the file. Please be careful when you are choosing the file. It may be you upload some other file and your entry would be rejected. So yeah, please be careful while uploading this, because our database will directly erase that particular entry from our system. Yes, and confirm payment amount. Yes, and save proceed. You will go to the next page and you get to know about your team member numbers. You just need to reach out, and bingo, will meet you in your career upgrading session. Yes, without wasting time, resources that you should see before sitting in Accenture interview, which is an Accenture playlist having 10 plus video. This video would be 11. So yeah, 11 comprehensive video to prepare for your Accenture exam. And if you are preparing or aspiring for TCS, we have 14 videos and multiple TCS series, which will definitely help you to crack the questions, as well as the Infosys. Everything is covered in the Infosys playlist, as well as if you are qualified for the interview, we are welcoming you on primecoding.in. Just head over to it. I will make sure you will not miss your 9.5 LPA job. Now, without wasting time, share this video with your friends so that you can do some good in their career. Is it? If this succeed with your one sharing thing, then definitely you will get your fruit and he will get his career in his hand. So without wasting time, subscribe the channel if you have not, like this video, and share with your batchmates, friends, and whomever you want. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.